cut grass, sweat all summer saving cash, dreaming about turning heads downtown, straight pipes on the hand-me-down. And how would anybody's daddy get around to mend those fences and feed the cows? Where the hell would a small town girl climb up if it wasn't for trucks? Talk to God all by myself. How would I have got to Tennessee? And where would I be? Where was I supposed to cry that July day granddaddy died? Or on that day, drank that beer and fell into night love. If it wasn't for trucks.
Saw this old ride listed for sale, 10 years old, it looked like hell. All my friends said don't, I replied oh Lord. It's an F-150 long bed Ford. It stores my tools, can haul a load, but it drinks up gas and now I'm broke. Well, I jacked it up, put on lifted off-road tires with V-logs on. Dude, it's got a little attitude, ain't it grand? It does the mud as well as the sand, it defines me who I am. It's more than practical, it's a statement. If you ever think I'll say good luck, American made, and it's my truck. Before I was just another guy, look at me now, I'm way up high. Might look like I have it just for show, cause it'll dust up any dirt road. I jacked it up, put on lifted off-road tires with V-logs on. It's got a little attitude, ain't it grand? It does the mud as well as the sand. It defines me who I am. It's more than practical, it's a statement. If you ever think I'll send it good luck, American made, and it's my truck. Up gas and now I'm broke. Well, I jacked it up, put on lifted off-road tires with V-logs on. Dude, it's got a little attitude, ain't it grand? It does the mud as well as the sand. It defines me who I am. It defines me who I am. I jacked it up, put on, lifted off, 4 tires with V-locks on. But it's got a little attitude, ain't it grand? It does the mud as well as the sand. It defines me who I am. It's more than practical, it's a statement if you ever think I'll sell it. Good luck. American made, and it's my truck. It's my truck. F-150, baby. Feeling the burn from my 9 to 5. End of the week, but I'm still alive. It's gone too slow, that ticking the talk. Can't take these eyes off of that old box. Well, it's almost time for the moon to shine and forget that work that put it all behind. Come twilight, we're gonna get real high. Can you feel the vibe? This is why we all came here tonight. You can feel it in the air. It's something we all share. Grab a solo cup, get in the mood. Tilt your head back and taste the brew. This is our time. Whoa, 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 everything is gonna be alright. Whoa, and this is how it's Friday night. All across the land, every woman and man counting down to the last minute. Wanna block the miles just to get on by, waiting for this day to finish. Well, it's almost time for the moon to shine and forget that work and put it all behind. Come twilight, we're gonna get real high. Can you feel the vibe? This is why we all came here tonight. You can feel it in the air. It's something we all share. Grab a solo cup, get in the mood. Tilt your head back and taste the brew. This is our time. Whoa, everything is gonna be alright. Whoa, and this is how it's Friday night. Just look around and hear the sound. Only us out here with kegs of beer. What a view, that's my crew, and no one to answer to. And this is why we all came here tonight. You can feel it in the air. It's something we all share. Grab a solo cup, get in the mood. Tilt your head back and taste the brew. This is our time. Whoa, everything is gonna be alright. Whoa, this is how we Friday night. Whoa, Friday night, oh Friday night. Whoa, this is how we Friday night.
Are you one of them girls that peels off the Buckeye label? Just might run the pool table. Roll your eyes if I call you an angel. spot down there. I hollered my granddaddy bought some hay feed. I was 1,200 square feet. They frames sitting between the trees. And I got the keys on a Labor Day weekend. Under 21 doesn't mean we weren't drinking. We were having a ball. That old cabin in the woods sitting down by the river on a September night I'll always remember. Sitting around the fire singing old John Denver. Life was feeling good. And that old cabin in the woods, we were young, beer was cold. That old cabin in the woods. She was back home on another summer break. The break we were on was gone in a day. We loaded up the Chevrolet. And we made a little getaway to that old cabin in the woods sitting down by the river. A hot summer night I'll always remember. Playing with fire every time I kissed it. And love was feeling good. At that old cabin in the woods, we were young, beer was cold. That old cabin in the woods. Cabin in the woods. Oh, and I'm here hearing that tin roof sing a little rain song, thinking about the days gone. That old cabin in the woods sitting down by the river. All the crazy nights I'll always remember. Picking around the fire and singing for my dinner. Beer is so damn good. That old cabin in the woods, we were young, beer was cold. That old cabin in the woods. Cabin in the woods. Yeah, 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 yeah. Cabin in the woods. Cabin in the woods. To the way the moonlight shining on this water tower sky. To the back roads we've been driving on our way out here tonight. To a bunch of pickups around a bonfire. Like a guitar picking on car tires. For the music and for the love. I thank the good Lord above. Now here's to mama, here's to Jesus. Here's to all of my party people. Here's to good times, here's to freedom. And all the ones who ain't made it back home. Here's to football, here's to tailgates. Here's to working all week for Saturdays. Grab a bottle, crack a can, raise your hand. Here's to beer, cheers. Yeah, neon lights and crop towns. Drop dead gorgeous knockouts. Lone bird dogs and largemouth. Granddad's hand-me-down Ford. Yeah, the cowboy boots and blue jeans. Home-cooked meals and home teams. Yeah, we all got at least one thing we can be thankful for. Now here's to mama, here's to Jesus. Here's to all of my party people. Here's to good times, here's to freedom. And all the ones who ain't made it back home. Here's to football, here's to tailgate. Here's to working all week for Saturdays. Grab a bottle, crack a can, raise your hand. Here's to beer, not cheers. There's one thing I believe in. There's always a drink worth drinking. You don't always need a reason other than the beer's ice cold. So here's to mama, here's to Jesus. Here's to all my party people. And here's to good times. I can't get past. Those blue eyes shine and they keep drawing me into you. Got me falling off track. You get me like that. Yeah, I'm hanging on to every word you say, every move you make. I'm hanging on, wondering what's up next, girl. I can't wait. Ain't nothing like spinning you around
There ain't no gold in this river. I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence. Baby, let me in and go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me. There ain't no room for things to change when we are both so deeply stuck in our way. And you can't deny how hard I've tried. I changed who I was to put you both first, but now I give up. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me. Well, I had good intentions and the highest hopes, but I know right now it probably doesn't even show. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, I didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on
things. City sky ain't the same black. Ain't that a damn shame, man, to think that out of the morning a California sunset, more than a beer when you ain't 21 yet, more than a Sunday morning Lord turn to some poor lost soul found, hallelujah bound. And out of the morning a feeling when it passes the hook, when the guy gets the girl at the end of the book. Maybe this might be the last time I get to lay you down, 'cause I can't love you more than my hometown. You got a wild in your eyes that I just ain't born with. I'm a same gas station, cup of coffee in the morning. I'm a house on the hill, girl, not in. Take you these words to an avenues help. 'Cause I love you more than a California sunset. I love you more than a $20 sundress. Hate that loaded down car you got your keys in, girl, but I hate it even more that you're leaving. 'Cause I love you more than a feeling when it passes the hook, when the guy gets the girl at the end of the book. Well, that ain't you and me, but I sure hope to see you around. 'Cause I can't love you more than my hometown. Love you more than my hometown. Love you more than my hometown. Love you more, baby, love you more. Songs right now. I hope you like it. Taking a long way home from work, 'cause you heard some raindrops hit the dirt. So you head on out to BFE, break on in BFGs. It's starting fires with a gasoline, Sonic guys in a 50 beam. Country boys do country boy things. It's in our blood, in our veins, while we bend them guitar strings. And while the jeans all got that Copenhagen ring. They get too drunk, blaming on rain, kick the mud every time it rains. Country boys do country boy things. Big trucks, dog in the back, work boots, camo hat. If that's you, you know what I mean. Country boys do country boy things. Yeah. It's vision rides and a cooler beer, up in the tree, just waiting on deer. Got a rope and an old tie when you gotta swing. Listen to me what you say what you mean. Ask your daddy for you buy that ring. 'Cause country boys do country boy things. Yeah, it's in our blood, in our veins. While we bend them guitar strings. And while the jeans all got that coat